In this lesson, we will learn how to create a web photo gallery. A web photo gallery is a page containing a gallery of photos. A web photo gallery can be created in Dreamweaver manually, but it is a bit tedious job. We can make use of tools like Photoshop to create a web photo gallery very easily and effectively. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a web photo gallery using Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and go to the File menu and click on Automate option and choose Web Photo Gallery option from that. Now, a web photo gallery wizard is opened. In this wizard, under the styles, we have different styles to choose. Say for example, centered frame 1 basic, it appears like this. We can preview the each style in this window. This is center frame 2 feedback, and this is black on white, and this is white on black, and flash gallery 1, flash gallery 2, gray thumbnails, horizontal gray, horizontal neutral, slideshow, simple thumbnails, horizontal thumbnails, and simple. In this way, we have different types of templates available here. We can choose any one of the template that suits to our website. Now, after choosing the style, let us go to the source images. To create a web photo gallery, we need to have the images. So first of all, we should keep all the images ready in a folder to link to this web photo gallery wizard. Now, using this browse option, we can look at the folder which contain the photographs. Here we have the folder in the desktop. Go to desktop and click on images for gallery. Now click on OK. In this way, we have browsed the source files. Now, let us specify the destination where the total gallery file should be created. Click on the destination and choose the location. Go to My Computer. After the destination is taken, we can directly click on OK. But here we have some more option to set to make the gallery more informative. Here we have resize images option. By choosing this, we can resize the images. For example, I can take 500 pixel. So all the images what we have taken will be resized to this size. If we wanted to increase only the width of the image, we can choose width or height, or we can take both width and height. At the same time, we can adjust the quality of the images by moving the slider to large or to small. If we wanted to add any border to the images, we can type the size of the border in pixels here under border size. If you don't want any border, type 0. Now click on OK to create a web photo gallery. Now we will see automatically a web photo gallery is created. Here we have a web photo gallery. Here on the right side of this page, we have the thumbnails. By clicking the thumbnail, we can see the picture on the left side window. Here we have some information about the picture also, the name, the title of the picture, and date created. Here we have tabs to see the image information and feedback. In this way, we can create a web photo gallery automatically using Photoshop. Let us create one more photo gallery using Photoshop. Go to File, Automate, Web Photo Gallery, and this time we take Flash Gallery 1. OK. Now we're going to create a flash gallery. This is how it appears. We have small thumbnails which are expanded when the mouse cursor is on, and when we click a specific image, it appears. So these kind of effective photo galleries can be created using Adobe Photoshop.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థాంక్యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.